welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Necessary Period, and I'm back with another video. As you can see from today's title, you guys, I will be installing this 30-inch water wave that was sent to me by Domiso hair. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring today's video, you guys. I absolutely love this wig. I love how it looks when it's wet. I love how it looks when it's dry. It's super soft and nice. The curl pattern on this wig is absolutely amazing, you guys. And if you guys like it, please make sure to check the description box down below and get the same exact wig that I'm wearing. And yeah, y'all, thank you guys so much for Domiso for sponsoring this video again. And if y'all want to see how I install this wig, then keep on watching.
I would like to get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you took me down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you took me down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. Wanna be down with what you go. Wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's wanna be down. Wanna be I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you took me down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. Wanna be down with what you go. Wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's wanna be down. Wanna be
Okay, y'all, so this is the final product of the hair, you guys. I can say I have been wearing this hair for a few days. I haven't got no problems whatsoever with this wig, you guys. This wig, like, it's just a showstopper. Like, everywhere I go, everybody always wants the beats on this hair. And what's even better, y'all, is this wig is on Amazon, so that's a 2-day shipping period. So make sure you check the link down in the description box down below and go shop Domiso hair, because this is by far one of the best units I've gotten in a while. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, y'all.